So do you want to see what $1.25 million can buy you in North Portland? Well, stay tuned as we take a tour of this neighborhood and stunning property. Hello, I'm David Backholer and welcome to Exploring Oregon. In today's video, we'll be touring this property in North Portland's Piedmont neighborhood. So the Piedmont neighborhood is one of several historic neighborhoods across Portland, and this subdivision dates back over 100 years. The jewel of this neighborhood is Pennisula Park, which is one of the oldest neighborhood parks in the city and has plenty of historic charm. The gorgeous Rose Garden is one of the highlights of the park, and this is the first public garden in the city. So the property we'll be touring today is just half a block from Pennisula Park. It's been on the market for about 4 weeks, and it's just had a price drop and is now listed for $1.24 million. Now this home obviously has a lot of curb appeal. The street itself is really adorable, and the homeowners have gone the extra mile with making the exterior incredibly appealing by even installing underground utilities. So there are no overhead power and cable lines to the house. Now, one of the things I personally really like about this house is the large front porch. It's covered, so even in the rain, it's still a great spot to have a morning coffee and greet the neighbors. And then above the front porch is a second deck which is accessed from the primary bedroom. Now the main house is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, and then there are 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom in the basement ADU, and I'll talk about that a little later. On the main floor you have a beautiful welcoming living room with gas fireplace, hardwood floors throughout. To the right of the front door you have the first bedroom, which as you can see also makes a great office with built-ins and double doors. There's a large area for dining and a beautiful kitchen with plenty of storage, a 6-burner range, wine cooler and large island with a prep sink. Now off the kitchen is a second living room area with yet another gas fireplace and more built-ins. These gorgeous French doors open up to another deck which is plenty big enough for outdoor dining. There's also a gas hookup here for a barbecue. Now below the deck is a beautifully manicured backyard and a couple of different seating areas. There's also a gas hookup for an outdoor fire pit, and the backyard is fully fenced, and there's a side door to the garage. Now back inside and completing the first floor is a full bathroom, and of course a coat closet to keep the entrance nice and tidy. Now heading upstairs we will find 3 more bedrooms, including the stunning primary suite. The primary suite has 2 large walk-in closets, a beautiful bathroom with double vanities, a shower, a tub and more storage. And as I mentioned earlier, you have access to this balcony from the primary suite overlooking the front of the house. Also on this floor at the back of the house are 2 additional bedrooms which feel fairly identical in size and both have standard closets. And then completing this floor is another full bathroom, Again with double vanities and a shower tub combo. And then across the hallway is a laundry room with built-ins and a sink. So the property is on a larger lot and sits on about 1/6 of an acre. The north side of the property has this large driveway and it could fit maybe around 4 cars, and then at the end of the driveway is a double garage. Now also from this driveway you can access the ADU in the basement, which is effectively a separate apartment. This could be a great space for family members to stay for an extended period of time, or you could of course rent the space out. The ADU does have a full kitchen, 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, living room area and laundry facilities, and according to the information on the listing, this space was rented for $1,850 a month, which would make a great contribution to your mortgage. Now if you decided not to rent out the space and maybe make it a space for members of your family, then there is an internal staircase that leads up to the kitchen into the main house. So I hope you've enjoyed touring this home and learning a little about this neighborhood. Now please do subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and do remember I am a licensed real estate broker in the states of Oregon and Washington, so please feel free to reach out to me if you're thinking of making a move to the area. Until next time, thanks for watching.